look at my daddy.
Where is your nose? Your suffer. What is your gender? What is? Oromo.
ሰላም ቤተሰብ ከመይናትኩም ኣነ ጽባየ ፈጣሪ መስገን ሰውሎ ማዕት ደማ ፍልይ ዝበሉ ብጣዕሚ መምህርት ዝኾኑ ቪድዮታትና ከምኡውን ብጣዕሚ መዘናግዕቲ ዝኾኑ ቪድዮታት ሒዘልኩም መጽአኒኹ እድሜ ግን ነዚ ቪድዮ እዚ ላይክ ሼር ከምኡውን ሰብስክራይብ ብምጋር ጀምሮ ኢኹም ሰው ሸተትልና
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, boys are too stressful.
Why do you think boys are stressful?
Just look at my daddy.
Hey daddy
Who has more money, mommy or daddy?
Mommy,
Really?
because daddy gives all his money to mommy.
Then what does daddy have?
Stress.
Tell us something about your dad.
Daddy says he's the boss of the house, but every night mommy sends him to take out the trash like an egg party. Mommy, big ghosts in this house.
Really?
I sleep here in the middle, but wake up way over there. The ghost looks like Daddy. Don't make mommy mad. Did you hear me?
I just forgot the groceries.
Make mommy mad, the bad guy. You're the bad grocery.
What if mommy forgets the groceries?
Then we order takeout.
ይለያል ያ ባይዘይ ከም እዮም ዘሎ ቆልዑ ብጣዕሚ ገረምቲ ዝኾኑ ቆልዑ እኒሆ
Are you single?
Yes.
Are you single?
I can see
Can see
what?
What?
your face.
Your face. Just he said, "Are you single?" And so he said, "Yes." Then she says, "I see your face. I see your face." Why? Because he is single, right?
Hello, honey.
Listen, he's married, okay? He has 2 kids.
Listen.
It's your mom.
Oh.
Yeah. طعم يعني ما زي كم يوم لولو قلعو ጠንከራት ዝለሉ ቆልዑ ተልዮም ማለት እዩ ችት ምጋር ምናምን የለ በቃ ይቆርጽ ለበቃ ሓደ ምስ ሓደ ብቻ ይኸውን ሎ ማለት ከምዚኦም ዝበሉ ቆልዑ ጠንከራታት ዝኾኑ ቆልዑ ተልዮም ማለት እዩ so good right yeah
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, boys are stressful.
boys are stressful
I have a dad.
That's too real.
ኣወዳት ስትረስፉል እዮም ወይ ከዓ መጨነቕቲ እዮም ክትብል ከላስ ጭንቀት እዮም በቃ ኣወዳት ጭንቀት እዮም በር ክትብል ከላስ ብምንታይ ዲኽ ናይ ፋዘራ ይገርም ከ ባይዘው
How old are you? Eh? How old are you? I am fine, thank you.
How old are you? I'm fine, thank you. He said. Yeah, no.
Eh? Majid. This thing. Ready with the guard? How old are you? I am fine, thank you.
ሰላም ወንድም
እንዴት ነህ ወንድም?
በመጀመሪያ እንኳን ደስ ያለህ።
እንኳን ደህና ደረሰኝ።
በምን ዲፓርትሜንት ነው የተመረቀው? ሙሉ ስሙ ምንድነው?
ሰሚዱ ላዋል
አይደለም የዲፓርትሜንት
ስሙ? እኔ ስሙ?
አይ አንተ ስም አይደለም ሙሉ ስሙ። የዲፓርትሜንትን የተመረቀውን ዲፓርትሜንትን ሙሉ ስም
አይት ኮምፒውተር ሳይንስ
ዲፓርትሜንት ነው የተመረቀው።
አዎ
ሕጂስ ትምህርቲ ይቋረጽ ተይልና ስታጅግር ምክንያቱ ሲ ሓደ ሰብ ተመሪዮ ብምንታይ ከም ዝተመረቀ ዘይፈልጥ ተኮይኑ ሲ ብምሃርና ስታይ ረውሓው እንዴ
What is your gender?
ይለያል
Or is it Asafa?
What is your gender? He said.
What is? Oromo. What is your gender? Oromo.
What is your gender? Oromo. What is your gender? Oromo. Oromo. ታይ ጾታኻ? ኦሮሞ ያ ኦሮሞ ልባህል ጾታ አለ ኦሮሞ ልባህል ጾታ ካኒ ሓድሽ እዩ ዘበናዊ ነገር ድንየ ማለት እዩ
What is your gender? What is your gender? I think you have a gender. I think you have a gender. What is your gender? Yalto? What is your gender?
Kan saya kara.
Where is your nose?
Where is your nose? Where is your nose?
Me teacher.
Teacher.
Huh? My area is teacher. Where is your nose? No, suffer. Huh? Where is your nose?
ይለያል ወንድሜ ያ bro Where is your nose? ሰፈር actually by the way it was kind of amazing, right?
How old are you?
Fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you.
How old are you?
Fine, thank
Fine,
you.
thank you.
Again, how old are you?
Hold on.
Fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you, bro. So, guys, نايلو معتي نزي مثل نيرو بخالي مدى كسامي كان سسنا ينعرف فاميلي